Hi and welcome to Lesson 3, Managing Split Orders. In this video, I'll show you how to manage split orders in WooCommerce. We will go over enabling and disabling customer emails, creating split orders manually using the Split Orders dashboard. First, let's look at how to enable or disable customers' email in split orders. This setting controls whether the customers are notified when their orders are split. Now, in your dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now click on Emails. Now scroll down. Here, you can manage split order notifications. Click on Manage. Now, you can enable or disable split orders emails. Click on this checkbox to enable email notifications. Now, save changes. Turning off notifications means customers won't receive their emails each time an order is split. Adjust this based on how much detail you want to share with your customer. Once email notification is done, go to WooCommerce and click on Orders. Now, let's create a split order manually. This feature is helpful if you need to separate items in an order for any reason, like sending different items separately. To split an order, click on any order you want to split. Now, scroll down and click on the Split Order button. Now, choose the items you want to split. Once you have chosen the items, confirm the split by clicking on Complete Split. WooCommerce will create a new order for these items separate from the original one. Now click on Orders. Now let's talk about the type of orders. When an order is split, WooCommerce creates a new type of order for the split items. Each split order has its own ID and tracking status. This means you can manage each split order individually. You can update the status, add tracking details, or even cancel individual parts of the split order. In this video, we have covered how to enable or disable emails for split orders, create split orders manually, understand the types of split orders, and that managing split orders can improve your workflow and make order tracking easier. Well, that wraps up this lesson. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.